Namaste. Welcome to easyayurveda.com. I am Dr. Janardana V. Hebbar. Today let us learn about rice water or Tandulodaka. Water which is washed with rice is one of the simplest remedies of Ayurveda. Take rice, add water, leave it for some time, macerate and filter. This is very simple, but there are some points to consider. Let us know them in detail. First, let us know which type of rice we can use. Any rice is fine to use. Broken rice is also very fine to use. Red rice, if you get, is better because in Ayurveda, red variety of rice is told as very good. 1 year old rice is also very good to use. White rice is also very fine to use. Rice should be uncooked, that is raw, preferably unpolished, not steamed, and it should be dehusked. So next is quality of water. And any potable water, cold water or boiled and cooled water is fine to use. Vessel for this remedy, mud vessel is very fine to use. If that is not available, even steel vessel is also fine to use. Next procedure, take 10 grams of rice, add 80 ml of water, keep it closed in a mud pot for a few hours time, that is it can be 2 to 3 hours. Then macerate the rice in the water for 2 to 3 minutes, filter and use. Let us know the shloka for it. Shita kashaya manena tandulodaka kalpana ke apyasta guna toyena prahus tandula bhavanam. Next shloka is Kanditam tandula palam jale ashtagunite kshipet dhautam krutva jalam taccha tandulodaka muchyate. Let us know the meaning of this shloka. Tandulodaka kalpana means this Tandulodaka dosage form, that is rice washed water. Shita kashaya manena, meaning it is similar to cold infusion in principle. In cold infusion, we mix water with herbs and keep it for some time, macerate and filter. We do the same here in Tandulodaka kalpana as well. Ke api ashtaguna toyena prahuhu. Some say that 1 part of rice should be mixed with 8 parts of water to prepare Tandulodaka, Tandula Bhavanam, and after mixing it should be macerated well. Next, Kanditam Tandula Palam, meaning 48 grams of rice grains are Kandita, that means they should be pounded into small pieces, or broken rice should be taken. Jale ashtagunite kshipet, it is added with 8 parts of water. Dhautam krutva, wash it properly. Jalam tacha, filter and collect the water. Tandulodaka muchyate, such a liquid is called Tandulodaka. Next, let us know about the uses of rice water. First one is, it is a natural plant fertilizer. If you have the habit of washing rice before using it for cooking, then rather than throwing away the water, you can use it for watering the plants. Next, as per Ayurveda, it has lot of benefits there. First one is coolant. It acts as a natural coolant both for external application as in case of burns and also for internal administration as in case of burning sensation in chest, gastritis, etc. It is useful in difficulty in urination, severe burning sensation all over the body, gastritis, acid peptic disorders, during summer, diarrhea, bleeding disorders, heavy periods, burning urination, that is burning sensation while passing urine, blood passing along the feces as in case of bleeding hemorrhoids, ulcerative colitis, etc. It can also be applied on skin when there is severe burning sensation. It acts as a natural skin moisturizer. For people, apply it on skin for its nutritive, moisturizing and rehydrating benefits. Consider washing your face after coming home from office with rice washed water. Next, Ayurvedic medicinal uses of rice washed water. It is used as a cold drink along with many Ayurvedic medicines. Here are a few medicines with which the Tandulodaka is given. First one is Brihat Gangadhara Churna. It is used for the treatment of diarrhea. So it is given along with rice washed water. Next is Pravala Bhasma or calyx of the coral. It is used for the treatment of dysuria or difficulty in urination. Next is Pushyanuga Churna. It is used for the treatment of leukorrhea, menstrual disorders, heavy periods, etc. So it is administered along with rice washed water. Next, there are many home remedies done along with the rice washed water. One such home remedy is it is mixed with sandalwood powder. We have covered this home remedy in a previous video. Please go through our channel and you will be able to find it. Or it is mixed with sandalwood powder and administered for blood in urine and burning urination. Next, for flies bite, fine paste of tulsi leaves is ground with Tandulodaka, rice washed water, and it is administered. It pacifies the toxic effects of all kinds of bite from the flies. So this reference is in Vaidya Sara Sangraha. Next, sandalwood powder is mixed with honey and consumed along with rice washed water. It is used as a remedy for diarrhea and dysentery. Next, it is also used for the purpose of purification of an Ayurvedic medicine called as Yavakshara. After once preparing this rice washed water, how long can you store? It can be stored for only 6 to 8 hours. Dose is 50 to 200 ml. You can take it many times in a day. If it is very hot summer and you are feeling dehydrated and totally tired, you can use it in place of water for drinking. Next, who should not take this Tandulodaka? People who are already having cold and cough, people who are in extreme cold weather, or people who are suffering with severe type of asthma and severe cough. For them, this Tandulodaka is not very suitable. Thanks for watching. To learn more about such secrets of Ayurveda, please visit easyayurveda.com. Namaste.